Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify app integrations with Oberlo migration. To begin, log into your Shopify account. On your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Apps section. Click on Shopify App Store to explore available integrations. In the search bar, type Oberlo and hit enter. Locate the Oberlo app from the list of results. Click on the Oberlo app to open its detailed page. Review the app details and click on the Add App button. You will be prompted to grant permissions to Oberlo. Click Install App to proceed. Once the app is installed, you will be directed to the Oberlo dashboard. To integrate Oberlo with your Shopify store, click Get Started. If prompted, create or log into your Oberlo account. Complete the setup wizard by following the on-screen instructions. Once your Oberlo account is connected, navigate to the Products section. To add products, click on Import List in the Oberlo dashboard. Browse or search for the products you wish to import from AliExpress. Select the items you want and click Add to Import List. Review the selected products in the import list. Customization options will be available for each product. Edit titles, descriptions, and images as needed. Once you are satisfied, click Import to Store. The products will now sync with your Shopify store. To manage imported products, return to the Oberlo dashboard. Now, sync your inventory regularly through Oberlo for updates. Finally, monitor your orders and fulfill them through Oberlo to streamline your process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.